In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Thinkorswim for day trading. By the end, you'll have a clean, fast layout designed for quick decisions and clear intraday reads. Start by building your execution environment. Head to the Trade tab, then choose Active Trader. This view gives you the price ladder, also known as the DOM, along with quick buy and sell buttons, so you can place and manage orders without leaving the screen. Click the gear icon in this pane to customize what you see. Keep only the tools you actually use, things like buy and sell, reverse, flatten, and cancel buttons, so your attention stays on price and position control. The goal is a clutter-free panel where you can enter, adjust, and exit with confidence. Next, set up your intraday charting. Go to the Charts tab. Above the chart, open the Time Frame menu and select a day trading interval such as 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, or 5 minutes. Pick the one that fits your style. Shorter intervals for quicker reads and scalps, longer intervals for a cleaner picture of structure and trend. Keep it consistent so your signals remain familiar across sessions. Now add the key day trading indicators. Start with VW app on your intraday chart to establish the session's value area and bias. Price relative to VW app often frames mean reversion and trend continuation decisions. Add 2 short exponential moving averages, such as the 8 EMA and 21 EMA. These help you visualize short-term momentum shifts and dynamic support or resistance. Include the RSI set to 14 to gauge momentum strength and potential exhaustions. Finally, make sure volume bars are displayed beneath price. Volume confirms participation and can validate breakouts, pullbacks, and reversals. Together, these tools help you identify the trend, refine entries, and plan exits. To optimize speed, click Setup and open Application Settings. Under the Active Trader section, set the order. Submission rate to 0 to remove delays between orders and allow rapid entries and adjustments. Then go to the System section and set quote speed to real-time with no delay. Real-time data is crucial for day trading. Ensure your market data subscriptions are active, so those quotes update instantly. When you're happy with the layout, save it so it's 1 click away every morning. Click Setup in the top right, choose Save Workspace As, and name it something like Day Trading Layout. That way, you can load the exact same, tested setup at the start of every session and focus on execution instead of rearranging windows.